Hi there, this is Jennifer with Brome Fields, and today I am going to be working on a washcloth, and it is using 2 different strands of yarn, and I'm just using the garter stitch, and it's super easy to do. I just wanted to show you how easy. So I am using size 6 knitting needles. You can use straight needles. I just happen to use, I like using my cables. And to get started, I used the white. So the white is on the edge. And I'm just going to do 10 stitches so you can see how easy it comes together. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I'm going to knit my first row. And I don't slip that first stitch. I just go ahead and I knit it. Now I'm going to grab my second yarn. Now I am using Knit Picks Dishy, and this one is an aqua, the aquarium multicolor. This one is. The white is called Swan. And now I take, actually I put tension on this last stitch. Kind of want tension on both of them. And then go ahead and knit the blue into it. And I do 2 rows of the blue. And these are all knit stitches. We're knitting in garter. And then when we come to this end, just knit all the stitches. And that stitch there is loose, so pull it back tight. And now we're back to this white strand, so you kind of know where you're going to begin and end. And I like to go on top with the other color, and it is a bit of finagling. It works better whenever you have them in, like have them in something. So then I grab a hold of this tail to knit the white. So we did 2 rows of the blue, and now we'll do 2 rows of the white. So whenever we get back to this blue tail, then we'll switch colors. And I pull the sides just to keep them even, but you may want to just wait till the end. So now we're back around to this blue. And then, so I wrap the white around my pinky to give it some tension. And then knit the blue. And you keep repeating in that pattern until it is as wide as you want it to be because I knit these lengthwise. So whenever you're done, this is your cast on edge here. And this is, it's a long. So this is my cast on edge is my length. And then I knit the width. So then I know how long it's going to be. I wanted it to be, I don't remember now, about 18 inches, I believe. So that here, so that is how it all comes together. And then I'll do one more row to show you. So that's the beginning edge. And whenever I bound off the white, I'll go ahead and just knit this up so you can see how it all comes together. So we're back around to the white. You want it on top. And grab that tail. So on the second row, you're just going to go ahead and bind off. Actually, I think what I ended up doing, nope. Kind of pulls that to it. Yeah, I did. I went ahead and I didn't think that that was enough. So I did one extra row before I bound off on the white so that it matched the beginning edge because that was pretty narrow. So I go ahead and I knit these 2 rows and then I would bind off. Oops. On the 3rd row. So it more closely matches the beginning row. So now you can see they match a little better. The top and the bottom, the cast on and bind off edges are about the same width. So that looks much better with having the knit 2 rows and then bind off. And as you can see, the one side has a nice clean edge. The side here is not so pretty. So I'll show you on the bigger one. So you can see that edge is very nice on both sides really. On this edge, it's not as pretty. So if anyone has any tips when switching colors to make it a little prettier, I would love to have any tips on that. So, because I really do enjoy these, and they're, I don't know, I really liked watching those colors come together. So that was today's really quick how to just visual aid. I'm a visual person, so I like to see how things come together, and once I see it, it makes everything, it all makes more sense to me. So I hope that made sense for you guys. So let me know if you have any questions, and thank you guys so much for watching.